Welcome to the Okanagan Science Center Online, a safe source for science experiments you can do at home. Let's do an experiment with water. Now water is matter, so of course it takes up space and it has mass. It'll weigh something on Earth. Water is a liquid, so it flows quite easily and it occupies the container it's in. What we've done here is filled up a pop bottle full of water. I put a little bit of coloring into it. We're going to do a quick experiment on pressure. Pressure is when you push on something. The harder you push, the more pressure you feel. Imagine if you took your foot, put a brick on it, then put another brick on it, that's more pressure, then another, then another, then another. Till you had a great big stack of bricks. You'll probably quit after one or two. But the pressure increases with the amount of mass. Let's see what that does to water. We've taken a pop bottle and drilled 3 holes into it. Those holes we've covered with tape so that the water doesn't leak out. We filled it with water, added coloring. Now, we've set up a little tray to try and contain the mass. You might want to do this above a sink, bathtub, or even outside. We take the lid off the pop bottle so air can get in. Now, I'm going to remove the tape and then put it back on, starting with the top one. There's this much water above it, so let's see what that much water pressure does. Squirts the water out to about here, although it's getting shorter as the water goes down. The middle hole, the water out to about here. And the bottom one. And the water out to about here. So we have this much water, this much water, this much water. 3 different pressures. Let's see what happens if we open all 3 of them up. We can see the first one droops down right away. The second one and the third one shoots the furthest. Now using this simple principle, water, more pressure, the further it shoots, you should actually be able to build something to set in the middle of your table for when you're eating. With water, whole, you should be able to invent an automatic water shooter that can spray anyone you want around the table. So there's water with added pressure. See how far it shoots. And thank you.